terrified of motorcycles, because they are undeniably dangerous. But fear of death can either be the driving force to living a life of adventure, or what hinders you from ever living at all. Some of us start riding because we think motorcycles are cool, but those same people would soon realize there's much more beneath the surface. There's something euphorically enlightening about riding a motorcycle. Perhaps it's the sporadic friendships and the quirky experiences we have together, or maybe it's the brotherhood that enables strangers to come together as if they knew each other all along. For many, motorcycles can be a stress reliever, a way of self-expression, or even a way to get an adrenaline fix. Whatever reason it may be, all of it outweighs the risk we face. And to say that riding a motorcycle supplements the radiance in our lives would be an understatement. You see, we live and breathe motorcycles, and some people can't accept or fathom why on earth we subject ourselves to such risk. And that's okay, because at the end of the day, in a way, we're living our life by design, because we've been incredibly lucky to find something we're strongly passionate about, something that makes us happy.